Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. On this week's episode, unboxing what's in the box. What have we got? There we go. EVOLVE Skateboards. The Stoke. Let's have a look inside the box. Get rid of this. So let's start with what's in the EVOLVE case itself. Let's have a look and open it up. Really good quality case, to be honest. As normal with EVOLVE, good quality stuff that they provide. And as you can see inside, charging bank. Seems to be the standard charger bank now for GTRs and so forth. So I've got a bunch of screws, which is cool. Charging cable, 3-pin for UK, and the end of the charging cable. Their new skate tool, which comes with all their GTRs and Stokes now. A bunch of documentation in the back there, and this should be the remote. So yeah, charging cable, lanyard strap and strap there, and the new R2 remote with screen. This one's Bluetooth compared to the one that I've got on my Bamboo GT, which I think is wireless. Bluetooth one I think connects a lot quicker. So yeah, let's take a look at the board. So here it is in the box. It's got the orange wheels rather than the blue, but I'm not too worried. The orange ones are pretty cool as well. Inside the box, standard like the GTR now. Tells you where everything is, and obviously a key of the appropriate things. Yeah, let's get this thing out of the box. So as you can see, brand new EVOLVE Stoke. I absolutely can't wait to get on this thing. I'm going to try and go out for a little test ride. Unfortunately, it's been raining, typical, buy a new board and it starts raining after nice sunny days that we've had. and just give it an initial spin, initial impressions before the end of this video, and then I'll be following up with more videos around the Stoke, what I think, my personal opinion. It's worth noting I'm not sponsored by Evolve at all. I bought this out of my own money, and yeah, just can't wait to try it. So hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.